We were talking about properties of logarithms. We want to use properties of logarithms and expand and condense logarithmic expressions. So here we have part A, and it says expand log, in this case, it's log base 10 of 3x raised to the fourth power. So we want to use our log rules here, and we want to expand it. So the first thing I'm going to look at is we have the operation of multiplication between the 3 and the x. So we're looking at this top property here, and so we can separate that, keeping the same log, and then we want to use addition. So we can say this is equal to log base 10 of 3 plus log base 10 of x to the fourth. So it's not quite expanded all the way. Now what we can do is we can use this bottom property here where we take the exponent out front. So we can rewrite this as log base 10 to 3 plus 4 log base 10 of x. And then that is in the simplest form there, or in the most expanded form. Then we can take a look at B. In this one, we want to condense, so we want to shrink it down. And this time we're using the natural log. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put anything I can in the exponent. So I'm starting anything that looks like this, where I have a number in front of the log, and I want to move it to the exponent. So not there. I do have the 3 there, not there. So I can rewrite this as natural log of 4 plus natural log of 3 raised to 3 power minus natural log of 12. And at that point, we can do a couple steps because we have addition and subtraction. So anytime we have addition, we can combine that with multiplication, and subtraction, that ends up being division. So we can rewrite this one as natural log, and we'll use the parentheses. This means multiplication. So 4 times 3 cubed all over minus, we'll put that in the denominator, minus 12. And then we can do, we can cross them out. So the 4 cancel with the 12 and 3. 3 in the denominator is left. And now there's a 3, so I can cross it out, and then there's only 2. So then we end up with 3 squared, which ends up being the natural log of 9. Then we can take a look at C. And we want to expand this one again. And this time we have the natural log. So whenever we have this division, we can expand that, and it can become subtraction. So this can be the natural log of 6x squared minus the natural log of y to the fourth. Now we can still expand this one more time, because right here we have multiplication between the 6 and the x squared. So we can, when we have multiplication, we expand with addition. So natural log of 6 plus natural log of x squared minus natural log of y to the fourth. And then now we can have our last step here, where we take anything that's in the exponent and we can move it to the front of the log. So in this case, we have natural log of 6 plus 2 natural log of x minus 4 natural log of y. Then we can do D, and we want to condense this one. So the first step is, anytime I have the exponent, I want to move that. If I have a number in front of the log, I want to move that to the exponent. So right here I have the 1/3, so we can move it to the exponent on the x. So we have log base 5 of 4 plus log base 5 of x to the 1/3. And then we have addition. So another way that we can use addition is we can join it with multiplication. So then we can say log base 5 of 4x to the 1/3. And you could also write this, another way that we could write this is log base 5 of 4 to the 3rd root of x. So either one will be fine.